So I've been sent to many trainings in my time working at the school at Benito Juarez, and a lot of them are like massive PDs where um, it's hard to ask questions, or it feels like it's hard to ask questions, and the activities seem very generic. The difference, though, in the trainings I did with Mr. Alanis, one, they were very personalized to um, give us skills that we were going to be able to immediately translate. So, what I mean by that is that we not only practiced right on trying to understand ourselves, but we also practice on techniques and tips that we could then take back and then be able to talk with their students to try to understand them, try to hear them, and even try to work with them, right?